I mean, to put it simply, nothing like this has ever existed before inside of Gimp. In this video, we're going to look at a really cool new filter inside of Gimp 2.10.6. Let's go to Filters, Map, Little Planets, and what we get is this projection where we see this cool looking little planet. I'm going to pan around until the trees are all visible and then just go a little bit further. Just playing around with the tilt. Play around with the pan, then I'm going to zoom in, pan around again. That's it. Isn't that crazy? That is a crazy looking image. This is an awesome toy. You can play around with the pan, with the tilt, with the spin. The zoom is kind of self-explanatory. So that's the little planet filter. You can save presets. So I could say Insane 2, and that's now saved as a preset for any image. I've already saved some other presets for this image. Let's take a quick look at those. We've got Drama. Drama is one which has a really dramatic looking sky. Now if we zoom in a little bit, you can see that it's really pixelated because I'm working on a low resolution image. Another one that I liked was Zero Tilt. This just takes the tilt down to 0 and it allows me to see what the image might look like if I was standing upright and it wasn't a little planet. Another one that I liked was Vortex. This one I found worked well with this image, and again I just played around until I found a setting that I liked. And with the Vortex one, it looks as though we're looking into some kind of, it looks weird. It looks like we're in some kind of weird dimension and everything's weird. But yeah, there's plenty of fun to be had with this particular filter. Seeing what you can get is pretty cool. I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to actually undo that. We'll go to Filter, Map. We'll choose Panorama Projection. This is a very similar one, but you don't get a complete image. But it does make it easier to understand what all the settings actually do. So if I'm tilting the camera, I'm looking up, I'm looking down. I can spin around like some idiot like that. So basically that's another one, Panorama Projection, that allows you to understand what's happening a little bit easier. Use a type of image known as an equirectangular image. It's here in the title I've given this. Equirectangular is a type of 360 panorama, and you don't get any joins when you use one of these. You can get these with drones, you can get them with 360 panorama cameras, or you can just download them online. If you use an ordinary image, you'll get this kind of line where it joins and you'll look like an idiot basically, because you'll need to spend half an hour editing it to make it join properly. So get an equirectangular image, 360 panorama. They're usually 2:1, so 2048 multiplied by 1024, two times the width to the height, equirectangular. Those will work best and will give you really nice looking results. You can play with this all day. This is so cool. I'm going to leave it at that. I hope you enjoyed some of that, and I will see you later. This is Gimp 2.10.6. Download it if you haven't already. Bye.